Hello everyone. In continuation to our SolidWorks sketch tool series, I will solve this exercise. This is drawing number 3. Okay, I will make this drawing with the help of the mirror feature. Okay, I will start from this origin 60 and this angle is 45 degree and this is the 140 length. Okay, these are all equal parts. Okay, now let's start. File, new, part actually it is the default template. If you want to select any other, then it will select, otherwise it will come in the part environment. Okay, this one, this interface comes. First I am selecting the background plain white. Background plain white helps in demarcation purpose. And unit system, from bottom you can take any other system. If you, as per you, I am taking millimeter gram second. Okay, this one, select this plane. In left side feature tree manager, I am selecting top planes. Click, this window comes, select sketch, this one. Now I am in sketch environment. I will start from this origin line, from here straight line, click this taper line, click, right click, out. Okay, this dimension from this to this is 60 mm only, 60 mm. Okay, and select this line. You please carefully note, select this line and this point. Now you will find this 4 directional arrow. Okay, suppose you want this angle, upper angle, then you click this one. Okay, exit, escape. I am selecting this angle, this arrow, this horizontal arrow. Click this arrow comes. In this way you can give the direction 45 degree. Okay, now draw a center line from here, this one. Select this line, shift this line, make relation parallel. Okay, now mirror entities, select this line, and mirror about. No, right click this one, delete. Only these 2 lines select. Mirror about this, right click, delete. On mirror about this, in this box select this line, mirror this happen, mirror there. Okay, I have mirrored this one. Now this object I will mirror right hand side and above. How? Line, take a line, click this one, this line vertical. Okay, now again mirror, right click, delete, select this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and second box, make sure copy should be checked about this line, this one. This mirror takes place. Okay, pan the sketch, press Ctrl key and middle mouse button. In order to pan this sketch, press Ctrl key and middle mouse button and drag this one. You can drag the sketch as per your requirement. Okay, now one thing more, I have not given this dimension because sketch is not fully defined. Select this one, and this dimension is 140 mm, this one, or you can take it 160 as per time. This one. Sketch is now fully defined. Sketch is fully defined. All the lines are black color. Okay. When the sketch becomes fully defined, the lines will be black and dimension will be black. Okay. Now I will mirror both these two. How? Select center line, join this line. this line. Now mirror, you select crossing window, press left mouse button and drag it, press left mouse button and drag. The objects which are partially or completely selected will be selected. Please note this thing. Click, all are selected. This is the crossing window. In the crossing window, press left mouse button, drag it towards left side. Okay, this one. You will see some objects are partially selected, some are completely selected. Both will be completely selected. I click this one. Now all objects are selected. Okay, this. Now mirror, first mirror, entities to mirror, this one. In this box you have to select in this way. Press left mouse button and drag it, this one. All are selected. Mirror about, this one, this, and click hit right. In this way you can. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now I join this one. Now sketch becomes underdefined, you will see. So I give this dimension from here to here is 60 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. In order to define the fully sketch, you have to give the complete dimensions. Okay. Or also you don't give the unnecessary dimension. Otherwise it will be over defined. Okay. Now this one circle, this one more circle as per drawing, this one, right click out. Now you will see underdefined sketches. These outer lines are black, but these circles are in blue color. So define it. Smart dimension. This is 70 mm. Now you will see circles are black color. The sketch is fully defined. In this way you can make the sketch fully defined. Okay. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much.